face. Oh, you're not going to get away from me. With me. Jack! You like Jack? Down. Here, here's the whipper. Down. He likes to play.
He's a good boy.
Yeah.
Dad, I need to see something. Hurry up, please. Quickly, before you miss it.
Before you miss me, you gotta play with the dog. Her. This is fun. Yeah.
Amy with a swatter in one hand. That's Amy. I feel bad for your children, Amy.
What's happening?
We're playing with him.
No.
Look at my face.
She found the swatter?
Yeah. Keeps that in her
She
good
calls
hand.
it the whipper.
The
Does that
whipper.
keep him from getting on you, honey?
Oh, he's close to him.
Keeps him from jumping up on us.